Any question from Germany, please?
Yes. A lady has a question about Farz and Sunnah, and she's mentioning two verses from the Holy Quran to her question. It's Surah 33, verse 37. That's the first one. And the next, yeah.
Please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم وما كان لمؤمن ولا مؤمنة إذا قضى الله ورسوله أمرا أن يكون لهم الخيارة من أمرهم ومن يعص الله ورسوله فقد ضل ضلالا مبينا. And it behoves not a believing man or a believing woman when Allah and His Messenger have decided a matter that they should exercise their own choice in the matter concerning them. And whoso disobeys Allah and His Messenger surely strays away in manifest error.
Read it again.
Translation. And it behoves not a believing man or a believing woman when Allah and His Messenger have decided a matter that they should exercise their own choice in the matter concerning them. And whoso disobeys Allah and His Messenger surely strays away in manifest error.
Should it be their own will? That will be more clear, won't it?
خيارة من أمرهم.
Khiyara is a choice or will. Will is also a choice.
Yes, that's right.
You can read it again as will, please.
And it behoves not a believing man or a believing woman when Allah and His Messenger when Allah and His Messenger have decided a matter that they should exercise their own will in a matter concerning them.
Okay.
And whoso disobeys Allah and His Messenger surely strays away in manifest error. The second verse is from Surah An-Nisa, verse number 66. فَلَا وَرَبِّكَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ حَتَّى يُحَكِّمُوكَ فِي مَا شَجَرَ بَيْنَهُمْ ثُمَّ لَا يَجِدُوا فِي أَنفُسِهِمْ حَرَجًا مِمَّا قَضَيْتَ وَيُسَلِّمُوا تَسْلِيمًا.
Right.
But know by thy Lord they will not be true believers until they make thee judge in all that is in dispute between them, and then find not in their hearts any demur concerning that which you decides, and submit with full submission.
Right.
The question is, why Farz and Sunnah are often given different importance? She mentioned these two verses from the Holy Quran, which it seems that Sunnah should also be treated as Farz.
I can't understand. Have you understood the question?
Yes. What I understood from is that she thinks that Sunnah is often treated different than Farz. Like we have
from?
Farz.
But there is no question of Sunnah versus Farz involved here at all. Allah is bracketed with Rasul. It's so many times in the Quran. And whenever it so happens that the Rasul's decision is made known to the people, it also is the decision of God. And it is not a Sunnah at all anymore. It is just a Farz, as imposed by the will of God through the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this impression is wrong. It's not a Sunnah which is being mentioned here at all. It is Farz which is being mentioned. Right? You understand the point? Allah's decision, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, when He makes a decision on religious matters, He always does so by the will of God, and by His approval or by His instruction to the Holy Prophet that he should pass on this message to the people. That is Farz and not a Sunnah. Please.
Yes.